Well, less than a month since the official division of Andhra Pradesh, companies that have been comfortably based in Hyderabad for decades together are now actually looking east towards Seemandhra.
Well, absolutely. And it's the irresistible lure of a tax holiday that has their fresh attention. Many of them are queuing up to register themselves in Andhra Pradesh, which is now, well, Seemandhra, to take advantage. The added bonus for many is that they are also returning to their roots. T.S. Sudhir with this report.
When the union government decided to redraw the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh, Sanjay Devalapalli and Sai Ramesh, founder-directors at Malak Solutions, a 7-year-old IT services company in Hyderabad, decided to branch out as well. With Sanjay hailing from Telangana and Ramesh from Andhra Pradesh, the decision was also motivated by Ramesh's desire to work out of Visakhapatnam, his hometown. Malak Solutions will now set up a unit in Vizag in addition to its operations in Hyderabad.
We've been thinking about it in the last 3 months since the elections happened. Okay, and for me it was purely a business decision. Okay, so if the state of Andhra Pradesh, if it's going to give some exemptions and all that, and then encourage business, and also since we are into e-governance, okay, if they're going to build their new government offices and all that there, we see an opportunity there.
And you coming from Visakhapatnam would want to go back to your roots and want to play a part in developing your state. Is that the way you look at it, emotionally?
Emotionally, yes. The answer definitely is yes.
Lakshmi Prasad has decided to move out of Hyderabad to Vizag for slightly different reasons. He feels he's being treated as a second-class entrepreneur in the Telangana state.
We are moving definitely for the business reasons, but there is an underlying emotional reason as well. Where like I was like studying in Nizamabad and I was here like since '83 and like doing business and everything. But you know, the way the state has been bifurcated, that there is a glass ceiling which has developed, and that emotional factor is playing a lot of influence with respect to the operations as well.
Entrepreneurs, especially in the manufacturing sector, are also worried about the restriction that could be placed on the kind of labor they employ. Since the Telangana activists are particular that the locals should be preferred when it comes to employment opportunities.
About 70 to 75% of the jobs pertaining to semi-skilled and unskilled categories should be reserved to the local people. And this includes operators and people below that.
Since June 2nd, when Telangana came into being, over 100 firms have registered themselves in Andhra Pradesh. In comparison, only 12 firms are registered in Telangana. The TDP government is already gloating over the early gains.
Naidu have international image and also good brand. And they have confidence, who has the businessman industry, they have a confidence. Where we were there in Andhra, then the all permissions and law and order, business atmosphere will be good. That's why all businessmen are attracting Andhra Pradesh.
Telangana is a very newly born state. It's the 29th state in India, and it is only 1 month born. And AP, Andhra Pradesh, is already known to the people, and it has been formed since so many years. Now 60 years, the name is famous in all over the market, and everybody knows on to that. We have got a teething problem about this state. We'll definitely overcome it.
But just as Rome was not built in a day, Andhra Pradesh too will face a long gestation period. There are many who will still stay put in Hyderabad, given the question marks over the quality of infrastructure and manpower in Naidu land. But the early flight of entrepreneurship is not something that will help Telangana's brand equity. In Hyderabad with Pratibha Raman, T.S. Sudhir for Headlines Today.